Well, good evening, good evening, good evening. This is the Minister M.L. Kimball coming back to you live again with another passive income update on the great program 101 Money Maker. Not only did I want to go back through and give you guys another update and go through, answer the frequently asked questions, go through a quick review, but I also want to actually log into my account and show you guys how to reinvest and to show you guys the back office a little bit more. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen. But before I do, I'm going to tell you the same disclosure I tell you on every single passive income video. Listen, this is a high risk industry. I'm not your business partner. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not an attorney. Anything I talk about on this channel, you must understand that this is a high risk industry. Do not invest more in any program that I discuss or anybody else that they discuss more than you can handle losing, as you can lose some and or all of your money in any project that I talk about. But make sure you understand that this is just like the casino. I'm going to give some, I'm going to see what happens, but the ones that do turn and make a good return and you get good results and I get good results, I share it on all my platforms. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen here. And we are going to get right after it. First of all, like and share and comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel at Money and Prosperity channel. If you have not already had a chance to do so, I need you to go there and do so. I tell you, we started off with 26 subscribers, and in somewhere kind of way, we now have almost 12,000 subscribers, and that's just because you guys are sharing this information. You can also visit us online at www.kns-ministries.org. Each and every one of our financial products that we are in, videos, presentations are on our website, and you can get on our website and you can view through and see all the different things that you can yourself get joined into. So without further ado, we're going to review the 101 Money Maker, as in 101moneymaker.com. That is the name of the program, where you can see where it says you earn 1% per day for 101 days. That does not say business days. So what I like about this program out the gate is the fact that they're going to pay you 1% every single day for 101 calendar days, which is phenomenal in this industry. About us, we can make profits at any time during bull or bear markets. Build a portfolio with 101 Moneymaker. We have some of the fastest software on the market, and we are able to profit many times over what we have committed to rewarding our clients. Our staff is a team of developers and high-frequency algorithmic traders sprinkled in with some entrepreneurs and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This decentralized board of 7 members is the key to opening your passive income possibilities. Our mission is to provide users with a high but sustainable yield. We achieve this through a variety of different artificial intelligent trading robots in the crypto and Forex markets. Our advantage, we specialize in arbitrage and short selling. Our guarantees, we can make profits at any time during bull or bear markets. The top 4 things I love about 101 Moneymaker is their speed and efficiency, their improved accuracy, the 24/7 trading, and their risk management. So a couple things I want to do. I always like to check out, and whenever I'm doing a review, I always go over and look at the contact information. That way everybody understands how to get in contact with any program that we talk about. Their email address is contact@101moneymaker.com. They can be found on Facebook, and you do need to join Telegram so that you can follow updates on Telegram. As you can see, as of today, they have 313 active members, over $325,000 deposited, and $74,000 paid out. So that means more people are depositing their money into the program, leaving it there so that they get the best benefits off of it. And so that's why you see more deposits than you see paid out, which is always a good sign with any program that you're going to get into. Now, I'm going to sign in so I can get into the frequently asked questions here. That is going to be what is going to come up next once we get signed in here. Let's get signed in. Let's get that signed in here. I would recommend that you do set up your Google Authenticator because if you do, it will protect anybody from joining into your or signing into your account, because it will send you a notification that you will then have to type in a code each and every time. So I recommend that if you do not do so, you do that, because it's going to protect to make sure that nobody gets into your account and steals your funds. So that's something I want you to do. Get your Google Authenticator downloaded immediately once you join this program. Let's get down to some of the frequently asked questions. First of all, we want to make sure we talk about the frequently asked questions. Earn on average 1% per day for 101 calendar days, weekends included. We talked about that. So you're not, this is on the weekends, then this is not business days, this is 101 calendar days. That's a phenomenal amount. Phenomenal for the fact that it's going to go on for 101 days, and that includes the weekends. Investments and withdrawals. How much is the minimum and maximum investment? The minimum to invest or reinvest is $101, and the maximum per stake is $1 million. Does reinvestment extend the stake duration? Reinvestments start a new 101-day stake for the reinvested amount. There's a 5% manual reinvestment convenience fee and a 10% auto reinvest convenience fee. What does that mean? They're going to charge you 5% if you go in there manually once a week and reinvest yourself. It goes up to 10% in a fee if you want to set it and forget it. So basically, I'm too busy. I'm working every week. I've got a family. I don't have time to log in every day to reinvest. You can utilize the set it and forget it option. But in order to do so, you've got to have at least staked $2,000 before you can set it and forget it. When are profits available for withdrawal? Daily profits are moved to the available balance once per week for non-compounding accounts on Saturday by 12 midnight Eastern time. Is there a minimum withdrawal? Minimum withdrawal is $20. Got to have at least $20 in there to be able to withdraw it. Are there any fees? There is a 20% stake performance fee deducted at the end of the stake. So let's see, for example, you joined today with $250. At the end of 101 days, there's going to be a 20% stake performance fee deducted at the end. 5% reinvest convenience fee, 10% auto reinvest convenience fee, and no withdrawal fee or deposit fee. How long does a stake last? A stake lasts for 101 calendar days. Seed capital is locked up for this period and then released at the end of the tenure, minus the 20% performance fee. When do I start earning after a successful stake? All stakes made before 12 noon Eastern are credited for that trading day, just like any other financial institution. Most institutions, if you get the transactions done by 12 noon, it counts for that day. If you don't, it doesn't count till the next day. It's the same scenario here. If after then, it's the next calendar day, not business day, but calendar day. So if it's on a Sunday, you would see it the next day, which would be Monday. How long does a withdrawal take? 1 to 4 days to fulfill any withdrawal request. What currencies are accepted? USDT, TRC20, ERC20, BEP20, and BUSD, BEP20. Are you registered? We are licensed and registered in the UK, license number 1501292. When can I contact support? Our support team is available 8 to 8, Monday through Friday. Please allow 1 to 4 days for resolve or respond. All general questions should be directed to our Telegram. So you definitely want to join Telegram so you can follow in with any updates. Can I operate multiple accounts? You can have up to 5 accounts per IP address to accommodate for friends and family, up to 5. When are profits credited? Profits are credited daily by 10 p.m. Is there a referral system? We run on a 5-tier referral system, 5 to 2 to 1 to 1 to 1, only on fresh capital. So that means anybody on your team that just does reinvestment, you don't get a bonus for that. You get a bonus every time somebody makes a fresh deposit. When a bonus is paid, referral rewards are paid on fresh capital deposits only, not reinvestments. And can I earn more on the affiliates? As you can see, you can get all the way up to 10 levels if your team accumulates over $1 million in funds. So you want to share this information with your friends and family as much as you possibly can, because obviously they're going to reward you and reward you well. Now, as you can see, I have $11,650 staked in this particular program. I'm going to reinvest this $394, or like that. If we put the fee in there, we're just going to just say $380, reinvest that real fast. Let's see here. Why is this not letting me reinvest $370? Okay. $370 is what I'm going to reinvest, because you see that the fee is $18.50. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in there right now and submit. And once I click submit, then that means $370 that you guys just saw is now getting set up for a whole new 101 days. So then once you've hit reinvest, then you should be able to get this particular looks like picture at the end once you have reinvested. And then when you go back to your dashboard, you can see that the $370 has left my account and it now is reinvested into my program. And now I have a total of $12,020 staked in this program. Today's earnings, I made $131 today. So that means $131 every single day for 101 days. This is why you guys can no longer wait and get and miss out on a great program. And this is why I wanted to show this to you guys tonight so that you can see that it works. Now, how do I get started? There's going to be a sign up link in the comment section. All you got to do is click the link and get registered, and you can get started today with just $101. You can also go to our website at www.kns-ministries.org, and right on the welcome page, there is a 101 Moneymaker link. And with new in parentheses, click that link. It will take you to your registration. Then you yourself can get registered. And once you get registered, you will have your own link that you can start sharing with your family and friends. And also not only make yourself some great passive income every single day, but then also make yourself some great bonus money just by sharing it with your friends and your family. Until next time, I am the Minister M.L. Kimball. Be blessed on purpose.